Hello everyone, this is Muntasir Rahman, and in today's video I will show you a comparison between Aweber and MailPoet. Both are email service providers, but there are clear distinctions between these two. So I will show you how they compare to each other and which one will be better for you. So with that, let's get started with the video. Now I have written a blog post on the Aweber versus MailPoet comparison so that I can touch on every point in the video and you can have the clear guideline about the distinctions between the features. So first let's see what is Aweber and what is MailPoet. Now Aweber, both of you have heard about Aweber. It is a very famous email servicing platform where they let you collect leads from your website visitors and send them emails, broadcast them emails, and so on. So this is how an Aweber dashboard looks like. It is a very separate software, so it is not something like an add-on that you will use with your website. It is a completely separate website, and this website can let you create landing pages, and Aweber host those landing pages on their server, so you might not even need any website to collect visitors. So and Aweber gives you lots of options. You can create sign-up forms, you can create landing pages, you can have web push notification features. I have created videos on all of those topics, so if you want to know more about how to use Aweber, then I have a playlist on email marketing. You should check that out. I have made videos on each of these features. This is all about Aweber. It is a completely separate software that helps you to create and send emails to your website visitors. Now, on the other hand, MailPoet is not a completely third-party software. It is a WordPress plugin. So if you intend to use MailPoet, then you will need to have a WordPress site because it is just a WordPress plugin. So it doesn't work outside WordPress sites. So let's show you about MailPoet. So here I have come to a test WordPress site, and I'm in the dashboard. So first you will need to go to plugins, then add new, and then search for MailPoet. And then you will need to install and activate this plugin. Okay. So after installing and activating this plugin, you will get option like this, and here you can create your emails and all other stuff. So it just works from the WordPress dashboard. This is the basic distinction between these two. Now let's see about the pricing. Now if you want to know more about the pricing differences, I will urge you to check out the blog post because there are lots of things. So I won't get into the very nitty-gritty of it. I will put the link of the blog post in the description box. Just I want to share some thoughts. Both softwares have somewhat equal pricing plan, but if you compare monthly plans, that means if you want to pay the softwares monthly, then Aweber seems to be much cheaper than MailPoet, except for the up to 500 subscribers. This package for up to 500 subscribers, Aweber has both a free plan and a paid plan, and if you are just starting out, then the free plan is enough. But if you want to take the paid plan, then you will have to pay 19 bucks a month. But on the other hand, MailPoet, they also have a free plan for up to 1000 subscribers, and if you want, you can also take the MailPoet premium version, which will cost you $15 per month. But other than that, in all the other packages, it seems that in the monthly version, Aweber is cheaper than MailPoet. However, if you were to pay the software annually, then MailPoet will be cheaper than Aweber. So you will have to take everything into consideration before choosing the final one. But pricing is not the main factor here because both softwares are equally priced, more or less. However, the things that will make the decision clear is the feature distinctions. So let's see how both of these softwares are different to each other in terms of feature, power, and deliverability. Now both Aweber and MailPoet has a free plan available. For Aweber it is up to 500 subscribers, and MailPoet it is up to 1000 subscribers. So that's good. If you want, you can start out free with any of them, but don't just choose MailPoet right now because it lets you have more free subscribers. because the features are very different to each other. Now Aweber has lots of free email templates that you can use. Not only email templates, it has sign up templates, landing page templates, lots of things, and I have also mentioned how many templates are available. In MailPoet you only have 50 email templates, not many more than that. Let me show you the templates. So I am in my Aweber account. Now let's show you some sign up forms. I will go to sign up and go to create. I can create a landing page for my website, or just a standalone landing page. I will just click for my website. Now you can see there are lots of templates that I can use. Okay, so you just choose one and that's that. There is no need for going through any complex design process. So you can choose any of the landing pages that you want. And also let me show you, these are the sign up forms. Also let me show you the landing page templates. So there are lots and lots of landing page templates that you can use right away. They are for free. So you can see there are lots of templates, but if I go to MailPoet, there will be some template, but it is not very great. So I will go to forms and click on new form, and see there are some templates, but the selection is not very great. There are only 50 templates, but not any landing page templates or other things that Aweber provides. So in that case, MailPoet loses to Aweber. Now both has a drag and drop editor, fine. Now Aweber has a mobile app version, so if you want to perform your email marketing operations through your smartphone, you can do it through Aweber, but I don't think it is possible for MailPoet. In technicality you can browse through your WordPress dashboard through a smartphone, but I don't think that's very feasible, because it's hard to create sign up forms and landing pages through a small screen like a smartphone. So I don't think it is very feasible with MailPoet. Now another big deal breaker is Aweber has an autoresponder sequence, but MailPoet doesn't have any autoresponder sequence, and it is a very big deal breaker for me, because I absolutely use autoresponders and it is crucial to any email marketing business. So if your email marketing software doesn't have autoresponder, then I am sorry, it isn't going to cut out. Then there will be split testing. Aweber has split testing, but I haven't found any feature like that in MailPoet. Both have some good reporting systems, so it's equally good in both. Then both has a mobile friendly report. You can segment the list using the tags in both cases, and there will be free migration service. In Aweber it is very professional, because you will just contact with the support and they will do everything for you. But in MailPoet you will have to migrate your old list through a CSV file. So that's that. And then Aweber has a very specialized e-commerce solution. MailPoet has that too. They can be integrated with WooCommerce, the standalone WordPress e-commerce solution. So you can operate your e-commerce site with MailPoet. Then there is web push notification feature. Both has a web push notification feature. That's good. Aweber has lots of third-party integrations available, and it is like around 850 integrations available. In other case, MailPoet only has 27 plugins that can be integrated with it. Now in terms of customer support, Aweber wins here too. They have live call, live chat, email support, all kinds of things that you want from a professional email service provider. In case of MailPoet, that's a very deal breaker, because for free users you only have support forum, nothing more. But for paying customers, they have email support, but not live call or live chat. So customer support is a big thing to me, because whenever I face any problem, I just like to go to customer support and ask them right away, and I want instant solution like that. But if they don't have live chat or live call options, then that is a very big deal breaker for me, because I don't want that in my email service provider's customer support. So yeah, here you can see the basic distinctions between MailPoet and Aweber. Considering all the things, you are sure that I will go for Aweber because they are much more professional and friendly. But not only that, I have tried MailPoet several times, but the whole platform, the whole plugin seemed very buggy. I have tried to create some sign-up forms. Let me show you. So I will go to new form, and now let's just choose something. Now there are lots of placement options available. I have tried with sliding option and pop-up option. The sliding option never worked for me. I tried it several times, but the sliding never appeared. The pop-up option appeared, but it even seemed very laggy because it didn't appear all the time. In sometimes it appeared, sometimes it didn't. You may ask me that there will be cache for the browser cache. The pop-up didn't appear, but I used Google Incognito mode so that the cache doesn't disturb the pop-up, but still it didn't appear every time. So considering everything, I will not recommend you to use MailPoet. I will obviously recommend you to use Aweber because it is much more user friendly and much more powerful. Now if you want to use Aweber, you can start it for free. There will be a link in the description box below. You can click it and you will go to a form where you will have to put your name, email and other information to get started with the free account. Now let me remind you that this will be an affiliate link, so if you decide to pay for Aweber premium plans later, then I will get a commission for that, and thank you for that. So today this is all about the detailed comparison between MailPoet and Aweber. I hope you have found today's video helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up and take care.